Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Taurus, it's sign. This is November weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. And this reading is from November 16 to November 22nd. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Taurus, it's sign. Maybe you're dealing with Leo. Maybe you're dealing with Libra here. So under the deck, 5 of Swords, 9 of Pentacles, 6 of Swords, Hierophant, and 3 of Wands. So you turn your back from some situation here, but you want some positive growth, or you are expecting some positive growth. Marriage is involved in this connection, or commitment or stability issues between you and your person. Maybe some of you decided to move on from this person, or someone is coming to fix things with you because they did something or they did hurt you in past. Because 5 of Swords, they cheated on you, lied to you, but you just focusing on yourself, or you want to focus on yourself, on your career or your finances. I think Taurus, your money is very, very good. Maybe some of you already financially independent. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Sun, 5 of Cups and King of Pentacles. Maybe lots of you kids also involved in this relationship. So in recent past, you were in a very sad situation. You are feeling sad for someone or for something here. Maybe you have some financial issues in recent past, or maybe you have some issues with your person. But then present, Strength, 10 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. Wow. I think you are spending more time with your family right now, and you are now emotionally very, very strong person, and new opportunities for you, new beginnings, Ace of Pentacles. In relationship wise also, maybe there is some positive growth because Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings and long-term relationship. 10 of Cups with Ace of Pentacles, upgrade in relationship. At the same time, you're spending time with your family, and new opportunities for you, new beginnings. And future, 10 of Swords, Justice, and 6 of Cups. Someone is coming for reconciliation with you if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, someone wants to take this relationship to next level, but you are very tired and maybe you don't want to invest anything or anymore in this relationship, but someone really wants second chance here. But you also thinking about this person, but you have no energy to put in this relationship anymore because you are tired. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Taurus, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. 4 of Cups with Temperance. Maybe you're dealing with Sagittarius. Yes, they're missing you. They're feeling missed opportunity, but they're being very patient. So let's see the current feelings and intentions. Okay, Magician. Three of Cups. Yeah, They want reconciliation with you. Maybe some of you, they are manifesting you back into their life. If they did hit, if they did hurt you, they want to say apology here, or they want to express their cup of love to you. Yes, they really want to offer this 10 of cups. So let's see their intentions also. So Wheel of Fortune, High Priestess, King of Wands and Queen of Cups. They're going to make an action towards you, and they do love you. There is no doubt about it. They do love you. Maybe they're manifesting you. Definitely they're manifesting you, and they're following their intuition and trusting their intuition here. And they're waiting for their time. They're being very patient. They're waiting for their turn here. Yeah, so they're manifesting you for some third party involved in this relationship, but finally they're going to express their feelings to you, Taurus, and their intentions: King of Swords, King of Cups, and Ten of Swords. I think you both are on the same page. You both mirroring each other a lot. Yeah, finally, King of Swords, swords in downward direction. Finally, they're going to express their feelings. That's why King of Cups, they will offer the love, and they want a rebirth in this relationship. Ten of Swords means rebirth. They want rebirth in this relationship, and you will receive offer from them. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. Eight of Swords. They are stuck on you, but finally they're going to be make move towards you. And Strength. Maybe you're dealing with Leo, Ace of Swords. Yeah, they want to give clarity to you. Clarity is coming. And finally, they're getting their courage to make a move towards you. Maybe a lot of air energy. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius here. Magician. I think you are manifesting whatever you want. Marriage is involved in this relationship, definitely. Or stability and commitment issues. You are still waiting for the call or for the text, or you want some positive growth in this relationship, even though you turn you back from the situation here. Yeah. You still maybe you're manifesting of, yeah, you want to move on from this person, but you're still manifesting this person back into your life. I want some clarification card for Six of Swords. Yeah, you want brand new beginnings, but you are not showing your emotions. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Maybe you're dealing with Pisces. Lot of trust issues involved, lot of fears involved. Yeah, I think they broke your trust. You're both missing each other. Maybe one person is walked away or want to walk away. But they are stuck on you. I think for some this person is toxic for you guys because the devil. Maybe they are obsessed with you, but they're going to offer this cup of love to you. Definitely they do love you. They're stuck on you. They're going to express their love, but they broke your trust. They broke your heart. It's up to you what to do, what not to do. Maybe some of you want to leave behind everything and want to give another chance to this person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Taurus. Player. For some, maybe your person is a player. Will you forgive me? And I want to be with you forever. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Taurus. Okay. Emotions are running high, super moon. For some, maybe your emotions are running high, do meditation. And The second message, surrender to the divine full moon. If you are not getting solutions for your problems, just surrender your problems to the divine and bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Maybe some of you are dealing with Aquarius here. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.